Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to private your account on X. So first of all, of course, open X application on your device and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu you have to scroll down to settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into several sections. You want to go to privacy and safety section. Now let's go to audience and tagging, and at the very top of your page you should see this option that's called protect your posts. That's basically a feature that is responsible for making your account private. As you can see, my account is already private because I have this feature turned on. And some additional information: when this feature is active, when your profile is private, only your current followers will still be able to see your posts, and any new people who want to follow you on X, they will have to send you follower requests that you have to manually accept or decline. So there is specific page dedicated to that. So tap your profile picture in the top left once again, and in this menu you should find follower requests page. And here, from here you can manage your followers. You can accept them, either decline. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.